Okay, good evening. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. Okay. My discussion for this session will be an evaluation problem. Okay. Okay, let's proceed. The problem is given as negative 2 in 1 half divided by negative 1 half, and what will be equal to. Oh, I want to explain this one in the so-called long video format because in the 60-second maximum for short videos, it's not enough. So it seems others don't appreciate if we try to expedite our explanation in the 60 seconds. Okay, so I will make this discussion for tonight as a long video format, so you will understand more the solution of this. To bring out the solution, actually if we try to observe the numbers that is given, minus 2 in 1 half is a mixed number. It's a mixed number. It got a whole part and it got what they call this, a fractional part. That's a mixed number. Mixed number. The first one is a mixed number. And the second one, okay, it is just a pure fraction. So to divide a mixed number and a fraction, okay, we must have to convert first either the first number or the second number for them to be of the same, what they call this, classification. It's either we will change this fraction to a mixed number or we will change this mixed number to a fraction. But for the second one, if we change this fraction to a mixed number, that will be impossible. But for the mixed number, we could change this for it to become a fraction. So the hint on the solution of this one is that to divide this first number with the second number, we change the first number, which is a mixed number, to a fraction. Okay? And since the other number is a fraction, we cannot proceed with the so-called division because a fraction all over a fraction, it will give us a certain answer. Okay? So to bring out the equivalent of this mixed number to a fraction, okay, 2 in 1 half. In layman's language, 2 in 1 half is actually 2 plus 1 half, right? That's in layman's language. 2 in 1 half, it's just like we have a carpenter indicating a measurement 2 in 1 half. But it is understood to be 2 plus 1 half, right? So if we try to convert this to a more understandable number, 2 in 1 half is actually 2 plus 1 half, right? So it got a what we call the whole number part and it got a fractional part, right? So to convert this one to a fraction, because whether we like it or not, we could convert this to a fraction. Because 2 times 2 over 2 plus 1 half. Okay, we can do that because 2 over 2 is 1, right? So for this to be added, okay, we must have, there must be a 2 underneath this one, so they will become similar terms, right? So after introducing 2 into over here, okay, I will write it more legibly. I will place here 2 over 2. Right? Because 2 over 2 is 1, we then change the value of this 2 here. So we can now proceed with the addition of this one. This term here plus the second term, it will be under 1 common denominator 2. And the numerator of the first one will be 2 times 2 will be 4. The second one, as is, this is plus 1. Okay, so this will become 5 over 2. So the mixed number 2 and 1 half is actually 5 halves. So we have already converted the first number to its equivalent in fraction. So if we now try to divide a fraction over a fraction, we don't have any problem. Okay, so it is this 2 and 1 half is actually 2 plus 1 half. I just repeat this one. And if we try to simplify this one, 2 times 2 will be 4. This plus 1 is over 2. It's same as this one. Right? So 4 plus 1 is 5. This is over 2. So actually 2 and 1 half is actually 5 halves. Okay? Therefore, the given problem now, if we try to rewrite, minus 2 and 1 half is actually negative 5 halves divided by negative 1 half. Okay? If we try to change, what you call this, simplify this one, we will rewrite the first one. Okay? And to change the operation from division to multiplication, we will take the reciprocal of this. It is actually something like this. It should be, this is times 1 over the reciprocal of negative 1 half. Okay? If we try to simplify this one, it will become negative 2 over 1. Okay? So, this is actually equal to negative 5 halves. After taking the reciprocal to change the operation from division to multiplication, this will now become minus 2 over 1. Right? So a minus 5 times a minus 2 will be plus 10. A 2 times 1 will be 2. And a plus 10 over 2 will be equal to 9. So that will be our final answer. Okay, that's it, guys. So this short video, for it to be more understandable, okay, I converted it to a long video format so you understand more the explanation. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles.